What's up guys, I'm back again with another vlog. So since I changed I added like the yellow tint, like the amber tint to give that race car look, I'm gonna swap out the bulbs to the Morimoto XB so it's a D2R, I believe. Yeah, D2R. I got the 6000K temperature just so that it will be like super white. Since I already have this being yellow, it won't like become a darker, so like, you know, kind of like to contrast or like make it not as yellow with that. So yeah, hopefully I can do it quick. I'll try two ways. Hopefully the first method works. I'm gonna try to just lift it and turn the wheel the other way. If that doesn't work, I might have to take out the wheel completely just to like get under the fender liner and everything, or wheel well liner, and to get behind the headlight housing. So yeah, so once you get your liner off or like somewhat like pulled down, this is the part that will be taken off. So just spin it counterclockwise, then loosen it. Oh my god, it's actually tight. And once you take that off, you'll do this. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a clip here, like a metal thing. You press that. So I see that right there. Let me zoom it in for you guys. You see that thing, this thing right here? It's like a clip. You push that out. Out. There you go. And it should come loose. Now that I've taken that out, I got new gloves. I just didn't want the dirt and everything to touch the new bulb. I'll unbox this real quick. I'll try my best not to touch the bulb. There you go. So look at that difference. Look at that difference, guys. Oh, I'm gonna put this in. There you go. So just put it back into that, and you get your connector. And there's the whole thing. There you go. Now we're done. Then just gonna put this back. So you can see the difference here. That one's like a dark yellow, meanwhile this is like a lighter kind of like yellow. So yeah, and then now I just have to do the other side, and that should be it. So same thing here. This thing, this thing right here, you want to rotate it counterclockwise, then you can pull it out just like that. Then there's tabs on the left side right here. Just want to squeeze it in, and the other one as well. It's kind of hard to show. There you go. And then you can pull the tabs, then you can pull the bulb out. And just remember the orientation. So I pulled it out like this. The notch should be up top. And I'm just gonna grab gloves again. Be careful. So remembering that the notch right here goes up top. Just wanna slowly put that in without touching anything. Damn, is it? There you go. Once you got it in properly, it shouldn't move even just a little bit. And just see this tab right here, this tab that I'm holding. You just gotta push that down like that. Then push it over like the pin or whatever. And then that one down. There you go. And then put this connector back in. And just light it up. Where is the bulb? There you go. Got it in. Then just rotate it clockwise to lock it in. There you go. So that's how you put your new bulbs in. And then just want to grab your cover. I'm gonna try to put this like this. Have it in here like that. Just line it up. I think it's lined up. No, it's not lined up. Make sure all the sides or the edges are like lined up and everything perfectly, so you can like properly lock it in. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's super easy to swap out your HID bulbs to like the Morimoto ones, or like your 350Z HID bulbs in general. I opted to go for the Morimoto because I know that they have good products and stuff. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful, leave a like and then leave a comment on like what you think I can work on and improve my videos as well. And yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified in my next videos. I have a lot of videos coming up. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.